Hey there, adventure seekers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a virtual journey to some of the world's most incredible sights. First up, we're off to the majestic Grand Canyon. With its stunning views and awe-inspiring geology, it's a must-visit for anyone who loves the great outdoors. Next on our list is the captivating Stonehenge. This ancient monument is a testament to human engineering and architecture. Last but not least, we're heading to Machu Picchu in Peru. This lost city of the Incas is perched on a mountain ridge, offering breathtaking views and a glimpse into ancient history. So, pack your bags and join us on this epic journey around the globe. Stay tuned for more amazing destinations. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel blogs from around the world. Until next time, happy travels!